Onions, often overlooked in the kitchen, hold remarkable health benefits that might surprise you. These versatile vegetables are not just for adding flavor to your favorite dishes. They can also work wonders for your well-being. Rich in essential nutrients like vitamins C and B6, onions boost your immune system and support healthy skin and hair. They also contain antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Onions are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate pain and reduce inflammation in the body. Whether you prefer them raw, cooked, or caramelized, incorporating onions into your diet can have a profound impact on your health. So, next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a generous serving of onions to your meal and reap the benefits of this underrated vegetable.